how to say Jonathan.
Yeah.
Jonathan is new in the magic trick.
Okay.
Are we gonna start? Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
let's start. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, that was good. Now I'm gonna take them back. 1, 2, 3. That was good.
The other?
That's Casper and Jonathan. Okay,
In magic trick
Simon. And this is Magic Trick 2. And we are from Sweden.
Hello.
Okay.
We are from Sweden.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.